How to fix EA Sports FC 25 can't connect to EA servers error. So here we do have a little list here of possible fixes and reasons. So our first one here should be to troubleshoot your internet service. So they recommend you to navigate to any third-party website like speedtest.net to check your current condition of your internet service. So if you're facing any jitters, losses, or low speed, contact your local ISP to fix this issue. So we do have another here to update your EA anti-cheat or to basically just reinstall. So they advise you to do that because it is a server can't connect to EA error. Another that could possibly help is to close unnecessary applications on your background, keep your NAT open, waiting for a patch from the developers apparently. So if the aforementioned fixes fail to resolve your EAFC25 can't connect to EA server's error, you must navigate to the EAFC25 official forums to check if the EA servers are down or if anyone else is having the same issue. So maybe the potential reasons for this error can give you an idea on how to help it. So the reasons that might raise this error is poor internet service, corrupted anti-cheat, unnecessary applications in background, strict NAT type, and EA server-sided issue. So hopefully these do help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.